Hey friends, if you wish to add or remove frames on Facebook profile picture, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, click on your profile picture and select choose profile picture. Click on add frame and then you can add a frame to it like this. And then click on use as profile picture. Okay. So this is how you can add a frame. It will keep loading and it needs a while to set the frame. And as you can see, the frame is visible. To remove the frame, click on choose a profile picture and then you can revert this action. Wait. You can re-upload the picture and click on save. It will need a few while to revert and then it's done. So this is how you can add or remove frames on your Facebook profile picture. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.